Okay, one more example for the extra questions. Okay, see, this is a fraction, this is a complex fraction, right? Use the idea you learned from the algebra, complex algebra question, the one from last work, okay? So then you see, again, this still in the exponent, right? And together with the third patterns. So again, see, first step, you see have any common factor or have can be converted to be the same base or not, right? But now this question, you see, we can find out first step, the best way is try to get simplify means try to get they have any common factor or not, or can simplify by factorization, factorize to factorize it. So this one you see, if this one observe, I can get this one common factor, right? X power 1 and x power 1 or 2, which one the lowest index? Remember, we always get the common factor with the lowest index, correct? So we will get x power 1 or 2, take a common factor of x power half, okay? So we take it out this one. So this one gonna be x1 or 2, take it out. So this one half, right? So 1 minus 1 over 2. So this is the index of 1, correct? So 1 minus 1 over 2. So the power left half, correct? So we have x power 1 over 2 minus 7. But then x half 1 or 1 or 2, take it out already, become 1, right? So 7 times 1 still 7. And then over, now we do the, okay? So now the question gonna mix many way together in one question, okay? So then you factor this x power 1, so you factor this one gonna be half, right? You can write down this way, right? Or you can write it down as like this one, up to you, either form. Become x1 over 2, x1 over 2. It's okay, same meaning. So 37, I can make it down, become 7 and 5, right? So 7 and 5, the middle term is what? This one, if I have this one, 7 square root x, right? And this one, I time it up, become 5 square root x. So I need the middle term is a negative 2x, negative 2 square root x, negative, right? So this one should be negative, and this one should be plus, and then you plus it up. So final you got 2 square root x. So that means 7 times square root x, this one should be minus, and this one time should be plus. And then you can check negative 7 times 5 equal to negative 37 here. Okay, and the middle term we got negative here, 2 square root x, and root x times root x equal to 1x here, I mean x power 1. So, okay, so then this one is works, we can factor it. Okay, from this one, maybe I leave in that way, so you can review for that part, how to get it. So I write down from this one. I write down, by the way, this one, x power half here, I can write it down, square root x, correct? For this one only, okay? For this term only, I can write it down, that's one, right? Square root x. So from this one, I write one more time, becomes square root x. Okay, and time, and again this one they can write it down, become what? Square root x, right? So you can write square root x here minus 7. This on the top, okay? I just like the pattern lighting, that's all. Like the power with the 1 over 2 become like in the third form, that's it. Now this one, this one I have this bracket, correct? So I write down, becomes square root x minus 7. And then this one, square root x plus 5. Okay. So this part same, okay? Okay. Now, after this one, I'm gonna do the bottom here now, this part. Okay. So I have to write one division line here, the longer line. Now I work on this part, okay, this one, the bottom denominators. So what I can do is simplify it first, right? Simplify inside the bracket. So LCM square root x. So I time it up, becomes square root x plus 5 over square root x, right? And the whole thing power negative 2. Okay, after this, what we can do, simplify, right? So from here, you can see we can eliminate this term, correct? Square root x minus 7, square root x minus 7, same, right? So we can cut, eliminate it. So the top we left what? Square root x, right? So we have square root x over this one, square root x plus 5. Okay, this is the top one. So now we have this one. Draw one division line. So this one, you see they have this a negative 2, right? Power negative 2. I swap denominator and numerator, top and the bottom, swap the location. So become square root x over square root x plus 5. Become square root x plus 5. And the whole thing is what? Power 2. One is swap top and the bottom, denominator and numerator, swap the location. The negative 2 here become plus 2 right away here. Everyone observe should be plus 2 right away. I swap. So after this one, what I have, I can write it down, become square root x plus 5. And then this one is what? This part is equal to, I can write down like this, correct? Over square root x plus 5. And the whole thing power 2. I can write this pattern, correct, from the exponent property of exponents. So then after this one, because this is on the bottom, so you reciprocal, right? Reciprocal. So this one is gonna put on top and this one put on the bottom. So time square root x plus 5, the whole thing power 2 over this one being it down. It's just a swap, okay? Because this is the division here. So become square root x, the whole thing power 2. Okay. This one they talk only this part only, okay? This power 2. And then you can see you observe this square root x plus 5, square root x plus 5. This is the whole thing power 1, correct? And this one power 2, right? So same base index plus, right? So become what? Maybe we do this one first. Square root x can cut this one because this is the whole thing power 1, this power 2. So this one cut, right? So this one this one eliminate, right? So you left the top become 1, correct? This one become 1. So no meaning. Now you eliminate this term. This one power 2, this power 1. So the top we left x plus 5, right? Whole thing power 1, but this one gone, right? So we left this one at the bottom is square root x. Everyone get it? So this one gonna be, because this is a square root x in the first form, you have to simplify every time. When the bottom become first form, you have to simplify, become the one number. So then from this one, you can do y. I use another color, maybe this one cannot see very clear. So this one you can simplify by conjugate it, right? Square root x and then times square root x conjugated. So we left this time become x, right? And this one become 5 square root x over this x. Okay, then this is a final answer. So this is a final answer, that's all. So this is one part of your extra question. You can practice it. Okay, see you. I think leave it that now. See you next class. Bye bye.